So what I got here is a intake from a 1999 Chevy 2500, and this is the Spider injection system. And I want to replace these two O-rings here that are down for the fuel supply and return. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just remove this cover piece to expose what I'm working on better. And so this is what I'm working on here, these O-rings that are under this retainer. So there's two O-rings down in there. I'll spin this around so you can see it better maybe. Yeah, you can see them down in there. They're kind of a green color. I'll zoom in a little. So I was doing some testing and these were leaking on me a little bit. And you know, this got over 100,000 miles on it, so I wanted to replace these O-rings. And what I found handy to do it are these external and internal retaining ring pliers. So these are, when you squeeze them, they open up. And so what I found, I'll start with this large one here. I just put that down in there and squeeze gently and just rotate. And you can see it pulls this piece out, and now you can see the O-ring is clearly visible and easy to remove. I've got some Vaseline on it, but so I'll snap that one back down in. And for the other one, I use a smaller tool here. Stick that down into the opening there, squeeze it gently, and work it up. And you can see it pulls the retainer out, and it allows the O-ring to come right out without any issues at all.